1. Alphabets. Learning alphabets. Listen and practice with me, kids. Alphabets. A. For apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. Letter D. D for dog. Letter E. E for elephant. Elephant. Letter F. F. F for fish. Fish. Letter G. G. G for goat. Letter H. H. H for hat. Letter I. I for ice cream. Letter J. J for juice. Letter K. K for kite. Letter L. L for lion. Letter M. M for mango. Letter N for nest. Letter O. O for orange. Letter P for pencil. Letter Q for queen. Letter R for rose. Letter S for sun. Letter T for tomato. Letter U for umbrella. Letter V for van. Letter W for watermelon. Letter X for Xmas tree. Letter Y for yo-yo. Letter Z for zebra. Lesson review. Read one by one. A, B, C, D, Listen and practice with me. A, small a. B, small b. C, small c. D, small d. E, small e. F, small f. G, small g. H, small h. I, small I. J, small j. K, small k. L, small l. M, small m. N, small n. O, small o. P, small p. Q, small q. R, small r. S, small s. T, small t. U, small u. V, small v. W, small w. X, small x. Y, small y. Z, small z. Lesson review. Read one by one. Small a. Small b. Small c. Small d. Small e. Small f. Small g. Small h. Small I, small j, small k, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small t, small u, small v, small w, Small X. Small